Hello and welcome. The Mill Training Tutorials CD was created to introduce new users to Mastercam X. The CD covers Tutorial 1 through 6 of the Mastercam X Mill Training Tutorials text. Also included is a series of Mastercam tips and techniques. There is approximately 6 hours of video instruction on this CD. When running the CD, you will be able to view the Mastercam functions used to create the geometry, along with the process used to generate the toolpaths. The videos contain audio commentary explaining the various Mastercam functions that are used to create the parts. Each mill tutorial is broken down into small steps that follow the sequence used in the text. The introductions to the individual tutorials last typically between 2 and 3 minutes. In the introductions, you will initially find out how the geometry is created, and then using Verify, review the completed toolpaths. Moving up to the top of the screen are the controls. These controls are similar to what you would find on your VCR or DVD player. I'm going to hit the pause button. Starting over on the left is the play button. As we slide over to the right, the stop button. And next is the beginning button, which will rewind this video to the start. Moving along to the right is the rewind button. This will move back in small steps along the timeline. Next door, the forward button will move forwards in small steps along the timeline. And the end button will transport you to the end of this video. Over on the right is the slider bar. This can be used to quickly move forward along the timeline or to reverse back up the timeline and review material you would like to see again. Over on the far right hand side is the volume button. We can move the slider up and down to increase or decrease the volume. To close this video down, I'm going to click on the X in the top right hand corner. At the very bottom of the screen, I'm going to click on the down button to review the topics further down the list. Below Mill Tutorial 6 are tips and techniques. To start off with, we have an 18-minute video on the Graphical user interface. Below is a 6-minute video on help. Next, a 23-minute video on lines. And then below that, creating arcs, creating polar arcs, and creating tangent arcs. Next, trimming entities takes 7 minutes. And then below that, Xform takes 13 minutes. We'll also be looking at backplotting, verifying toolpaths, and there's an 8-minute video on stock setup. And at the very end, depth of cuts and multi-passes takes 15 minutes. At the beginning of each mill tutorial section is an introduction to the tutorial, and this is followed with an exact step-by-step breakdown that is used in the mill tutorial text. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy all the Mastercam videos.